Hello all and welcome to today's video. If you are someone who wears glasses and also loves using their Oculus Quest 2 headset, you may be concerned about your lenses becoming scratched. If this is the case, then do not fear, as here I hold the solution to your problems. These are Olixar's anti-scratch lens rings. This handy accessory takes seconds to install and most importantly stops your glasses from scratching when immersed within the virtual reality world. You get 8 rings within the pack, all of which are of different sizes, allowing for you to choose the size that is most comfortable for you. To install them to your headset, all that you need to do is take the black plastic lens ring and then add the rubber ring to it. Make sure that when doing so you are using both the same size rings, and that you are also attaching them to the opposite side of the plastic lip, as that is the area that will connect the lenses to the headset. We can now place them onto the Oculus lenses. You do have to apply a slight amount of pressure in order for them to be firmly fitted. When they are attached, they feel very secure. Now, when playing your games, you do not have to worry about your glasses becoming scratched. When wearing the headset, the attachments do not in any way disturb your gameplay. If anything, it elevates the comfort of the headset. Also, another advantage to attaching these to your headset is that it reduces the chance of your glasses becoming steamed up, which is extremely frustrating when it does happen, as it affects the way in which you use your Oculus Quest 2. And with it being one of the best VR consoles that money can buy, you most definitely want to get your use out of the headset. For more accessories for the Oculus Quest 2, head over to our website. To purchase Olixar's anti-scratch lens rings, I have posted their link in the description as to where you can find them. To find out ways to store your Oculus Quest 2, take a look at this video right here. And to see more content like today's video, please hit our like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.